all crazy
Who
for
do it
that.
better? The Samoans do it better.
We just taking over the server.
You sound like
What the heck? Did you guys upgrade your guys' characters?
Yeah.
Did you buy all the
No, I didn't join your guys' group though. Here, let me do that.
Dang, that is funny. You guys are crazy.
some Robux.
Okay, we're the flag holder.
Listen, I just need 400. I mean 300.
That's not just flag for my birthday. This flag was 100 Robux. Yeah, this was 140 Robux.
Dang, I can't believe you guys got the flag. Here, let's go. Stop there. Let's go to the over there. Uncle Nicholas is fighting that guy. Let's
You
go.
must be our backup, but like when we're fighting, just record us. And then just be our background.
Look at that guy. He's running.
What's your guys'
Look at it. Look at it. Let's go towards them. All of them. Let's go. Ready? Go. Jump. Go. 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 Hey, rumble. Rumble. Ding, 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 ding. Ghost got dropped. I'm probably going to get dropped too.
So, stop your head.
I think that's it. There's nobody else.
No, there's this whoever.
Right there. Boo. Boo. Let's go. Samoan's ruler server 1. Let's go.
Guys, I'm coming with the flag.
Dang, that's so funny. Bro, look at these guys.
Get over here. Oh my god.
Bro.
Oh my gosh. Why am I running too fast?
Dang, that's funny. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding, ding. Bro, this Billy guy has stand no chance, bro. Let's go Kanye West Bear. Let's jump him. Oh, this Afro guy. Bing, 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 bing. No chance. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. No chance, man.
Yeah.
Oh, he's still standing. Everybody, let's go. Better not drop me. Better not drop me. No chance. We're making our way to the gym.
Chance.
Oh, we don't go in the gym because you're gonna lose the.
Dang, why does Milton have like one hit left? Oh, I see you guys. Reset your character.
Back to the cafe. Back to the Oh, after this guy, everybody catch up to this guy. Get him.
Invite me to the thing.
Hold on, Matt's beating up this guy. Oh, we're all beating up.
You're like, after this play, we hate Samoans. Everybody to the cafe. To the cafe.
To the cafe.
Let's go.
I'm the cafe.
I got mob everybody.
Hey guys.
Where you at? My.
I'm right behind you.
Oh, dang. The heck? You're on your flags. Dang. Right here. Right there. Oh, he's running.
Get him.
Okay, drop the hot chips. SRT. Guys, please help me. Guys, please help me.
Where are you even at?
I thought Hot Chips was on the team.
No, he's beating me up.
Beat him up. Stop you and the flag. Beat him up. Why are we fighting the air?
All right, let's go to cafe. Everybody, cafe.
No,
Dad, they're over here fighting us. Dad.
Oh, where at?
Right here in the gym.
Oh, I didn't even know. Oh, let's stay in the gym. If they're all coming to the gym, then.
Corner him. Get him. Matt's getting jumped.
I like some. Oh, let's go go this way.
Get him.
Hot chips down. Get this guy, surround him by him.
It's the other guy.
So the black guy over here.
Why is everybody at low health?
Because we just got to find a way.
This dude to the back.
Well, that's how you're supposed to do it. That's how you're supposed to do it.
Look at it. The whole server's coming in the
Exactly.
bathroom.
That's how.
Stay in the bathroom and just skip this area because they keep on coming in.
Oh, right there. Yeah, keep them inside. Right door. Got him.
Knock me out. Oh. Knocked him out. Knocked you out.
Boom.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Bing. Bing. Look at that. Drop the bear. Who's next?
Get him. Everybody gay.
Bing. Dang, Stan, no chance. Just get in there.
Why am I jumping the wrong person out?
What? I don't care.
Just
He's mad.
Who even said that and why? What are they even talking about?
I don't know.
Damn, I got dropped.
Oh my gosh! My flag is covering me.
Okay. Yeah, that flag was not.
This flag is making it so hard to
Damn, man, I wish I could
It's
record
making it
the top.
Look, I'm fighting all these people already.
Oh,
Come on, Jose, come on.
Okay, I got knocked out one time.
We run this.
Oh my
server.
gosh, you guys just came around the corner.
Bro, this guy said we run this. They run the
Oh, he
server.
just punched me in my
Someone
head.
just said they run the server.
who cares? Yeah. We're just having fun. Okay.
Where did you guys go? We're getting jumped in the gym. They're all coming in the gym. Or outside of the gym. In the hallway. Linnea, are you instigating? Linnea, stop instigating.
I don't know what that means.
Yeah,
Like,
you
you
sound
don't start
like,
arguing.
yeah, stop starting stuff.
There's this one right here. This guy right here. Get him, right? Just get him. Get over here. Get over flag. Get over here. Get over here. You wanna fight? You wanna fight? You wanna fight?
He fell off there.
You wanna fight? You wanna fight? Behind us! Behind us! Oh no! Oh my gosh! Linnea, why are you letting her get beat up? Linnea. Yeah, Linnea, why are you letting me get beat up?
I'm not trying to.
Help! We're getting jumped, Dad.
Oh, I know, I'm coming over there.
No,
I just died too.
I'm getting jumped now.
Because everybody split up. Everybody got to rejoin together again.
Where is
Everybody got to regroup.
Everyone's over here where me next to Linnea and Chance are.
Gotta regroup.
Cafeteria. And I'll go back. What the? Get him, Chance. Get him. Yeah.
There you go, see?
We stand on business. My cousin. Stop your head. Come in the circle and What's up with Chance? Chance, carry the flag. Carry the flag, Chance.
Carry the drum.
Let's go. Right here, right here. Catch these hands. Catch these hands. Catch these hands. Ooh, that's a lucky one. Ooh. Oh, dang it, you guys got beat up. Oh my gosh, you just body slammed me.
Dang. Oh, yep.
Down, there you go. Stop him, man. Stop him.
Imagine.
Who else? Let's go. Who? Oh, dang. Missed my chance to grab that dude.
Get over here. You want to fight somebody else? Stop. Look, now we're all fighting each other because we don't know how to fight.
That's it.
No, they're
That's
all
it.
gonna come.
They're all coming back.
They're all. Oh yeah, I see them. They're running over here.
That's good. Let them go.
Yeah, that
Look,
means
you
they're
got
mad.
kicked to the wall. Beat him up. Beat him up. Beat him up.
That means you're not satisfied.
Dang, that's a crazy.
Come on, let's get him. Hey, this guy's strong.
Let me turn up. I gotta turn the volume up so my YouTube can hear it.
Oh, are you streaming it?
Yeah.
You are.
Yeah.
Oh, get over here. We trying to run down class.
I just need to record the
You
vocals.
have to take him.
Right there, guys. They're all coming in here. No, they're all coming in here.
That one is just his.
Stand by the door. Just
Stand by the door. Stand by the door.
Stand by the door and beat them up. Oh, they're not gonna
You just killed me.
Hey, he just DDT me from the table to the ground. And Ghost got him back. What the heck? Yeah.
I'm right here, standing right next.
How many kills do I have? Dang, not even a lot. So little. Why are you guys all over here? We're all split up. I can just bodies dropping and dropping.
We gotta regroup. That's what makes us stronger.
Yeah, run away. Yeah, run away from the server.
Oh my gosh. Why did everyone want to leave the room? Oh,
I'm in the room still. I'm running out.
Everybody come back to the room.
Ooh, yeah.
Get away from us.
I just missed that.
Guys, all of you out there, I see you in the hallway. Come in here.
You guys in your flags.
Fine.
Sure.
Why? This is
I'm
our
on the
day.
side. Beating people up.
This is our
Look, people want to
day.
come. Look, Mark.
This is our day.
King, want to come?
Oh, that guy right there, right behind you.
What the heck?
Got him.
You got beef with me or something. Stop your head. Stop your head.
These people don't like me.
They freaking body slammed me.
Okay, all right, I'm coming in.
Imagine
Come
being
here.
so mad.
Guys, there's literally people over here. Me,
Yeah,
Jose, and
Lisa,
Uncle,
you bald?
Linnea,
Where?
You're bald?
in this corner.
Yeah.
Oh, he body slammed me. I need to leave.
Costa's over here. Hey, me and Costa need help. There's like two.
Where?
Stop it.
Look, we need to get in one group and just deal with everybody.
Oh, this guy's calling us FAGOT.
Just ignore it now.
Well,
Who
yeah, you
cares?
just ignore it. Like,
Yeah.
hey, if they're mad,
I
we're
don't
having
be
fun.
mad.
They're being
Who
mad.
cares if they say
It's funny.
we over here just beating everybody up,
No,
but it's
I'm
fun.
not mad. It's kind of funny that they're just trying to get.
You're just giving us updates.
Yeah, I'm just giving us updates. It's this one. It's this one. They're running after.
Go beat him up. Look, he's running.
Oh, this one.
What did he say?
You wanna get beat up? See my hands?
I'm not getting killed. I'm just being
So
questioned.
Matthew out there need help. Coming. Oh,
Dang, all of you guys about to die over here. Y'all need to reset your character.
yeah, you guys need a reset.
You guys need to go reset.
Dang, everyone gets dropped. Oh, look.
If your health is not full, reset your character.
Okay, whoever just stopped me.
I'm just
Because
here
you
to
think
give
you
you
can
guys
prove a
updates.
point?
I'm not trying to get mad at anything. It's just kind of funny. I'm just having fun right now.
Okay, then, yeah, thank you for letting us know.
Dang. How did I get to zero?
But now, you don't need to point out everything they're saying in the chat. It's okay. Like, dang.
No, she's giving us updates.
I think it's funny, okay?
But yeah, they're not gonna. It's a word.
Mario just got jumped.
Okay, well, now you guys left and now I'm getting jumped.
Me and Lisa are getting jumped out here.
Get over
Hey,
here.
these guys, they like coming back for action.
See, because it's fun. Everybody's just having fun. There's only one person in here complaining.
Just now, you just reply back with positive words. We're just having fun.
Say
No, I'll reply
LOL.
back with my words.
Just say LOL.
No, Mari, no, stay out of it. You make everybody. You go to the worst of the worst. Don't.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. Just stay out of it.
Yes.
What's that? Damn, let's do it.
Don't worry. And that just
Who
that
are we punching right now? I only see blue over
I
here.
don't know, but I got that kill. I stole it from somebody.
I read that.
This guy,
This is
he's running. He's running.
the
Yeah, keep running.
Yeah, run. Yeah, run.
Who just punched me?
I don't want any problems for real. Minding my business for real. Okay, Chance.
Over here at the table. Let's have a meeting.
Okay, Chance. Thank you for letting us
The
know.
OGs come to the table. Me, Chance, Matt, and Milton. Okay, OGs.
See, sitting down like this. Dang, I just got.
I know.
I'm gonna go peekaboo around the flag and grab them.
Go peekaboo around the flag.
Peekaboo! Oh,
Oh,
damn.
yeah. They didn't like to.
That peekaboo didn't work because I just got knocked out.
Damn, shoot.
We need to get them to the corner.
This guy.
It's messing up their view because they can't see.
Dang, I just caught that guy with my left hook. So that was clear. We're gonna see that in the video. Someone grab a polo flag. We need both flags.
Okay, I'll go get it.
Guys,
They
he's back.
Oh, so
Why are you barking?
how come this bookshelf
Oh,
breaking?
he's right there jumping us.
Oh, damn.
Chance, why are you barking in the chat? That's
Minding my own business.
I like barking.
Should I get
in
the
the chat.
Colombian flag?
Oh, what the heck?
Did you guys want brownies or no?
Look at that. Me and Chat's got the same jersey.
Guys, behind me, behind me.
Where you guys at? Where everybody at?
Okay, when I join back, you guys.
Where you guys all at?
It's like this.
Samoa. Does this charger work?
Yeah, we just gotta plug it
Okay,
in the
can
middle
somebody
part.
join me back into the group, please?
Everybody's like,
I'm
hey.
not trying to get jumped by all of you.
Go on, go say, get him, go say, get him, go say, get him, go say.
I'm just trying to get to my second period. I don't know about y'all.
Guys, I'm getting.
What the heck?
Dang, what the heck did I do? Over here, too. Hey guys, fight me.
Dang.
Can somebody who invite me to the group?
I'll invite you.
Alright, I'm going back in the room with these guys.
Get stumped, get stumped. Ooh, beat up.
Oh, I
beat up,
can't
beat
invite
up,
you.
beat
Oh.
up, beat up.
Invite?
Ooh, knocked out.
Dang, you bought all the,
No, I just bought one. I
Which
just
one?
bought the VIP.
oh, you didn't get the critical and the knockout?
No.
Shoot, you got enough for it.
Oh my gosh, this
Dang, I just wasted my Roblox because they just got me on this flag. You guys better not get knocked out.
Dang, this fight is hard, though. Both fight.
Yeah, I'm being chased right now.
I literally had that flag on my shirt.
Dang,
and
Nasa, you know what
guys
you're
were
missing?
Like, you need to change your shirt.
You're missing a beard, like a goatee.
I think I'm
And
just
you can ignore me, Chance.
So you should get a goatee.
Why are you trying to fight me? Get away. I'm in
Oh,
part of your
Oh,
chat.
dang.
You both are in here, and I'm
Hey,
getting
look
my
at
butt
Uncle's
whooped.
the back of his shirt. What is that? 685?
Both of us are in here. I died for him.
Okay. Can we change the music? I want to change the music.
I'll try to get video about it.
This guy's being knocked out over again. So now I'm being jumped in the room.
Hello, Riley.
Let me see. Hold on. Oh, what?
Wait, no, stand still. I'm trying to look.
Ooh, what's good, boy? What's good, boy? What's good? Freaking come in here. You asked your mom for money too so you can buy the critical damage? Oh, let's go.
Wait, where's the critical
Knockout.
damage?
Knockout.
Huh?
How do you have
Knockout.
critical damage?
Knockout. Ooh.
Go to the shopping cart.
Just try to look at the back of the shirt. Which one?
If you get knockout left, you
Drop on the ground, you go.
Guys, I'm dying, guys. I'm dying, guys.
What the?
Oh, guys, I'm getting beat up. Can someone come over here?
This piece from knockout left, and if we get these two and regenerate life right there, that's it.
I don't have enough Robux for all that.
That's why I'm just telling you.
I already bought the freaking flags to represent. Okay, get it.
Yeah, run.
Dang, how many kills did I have?
I'm on my way. You guys are getting good out, Mari. We're just.
Dang, I got
Yeah, we're
255
just the
kills.
flags.
Damn.
We're just the flags, Mari.
So I got 255.
Okay, I'm gonna say Christmas.
Okay, and who cares?
It's funny.
He literally is broke. Look at him with no Robux, no nothing. You're fighting in a. Get jumped. You're broke and stupid. And broken,
Stop
stupid.
on him, everyone.
I am.
Look,
I
can't
did
even afford
something.
nothing. Oh, then I got knocked
He
out.
left. I think he the driver left. I got him on the ground.
There we just walking on.
I just put smiley faces. I need a reset. Hold on.
Dark Lord.
Look, these guys, they cheat. They cheat.
Oh.
Go back here, guys.
This guy right here.
Who's raging?
The guy
That's a little kid. I already know that's a little kid just because the way he's he's trying so hard to say bad words on here.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's how you know that letter by letter. You have to spell if somebody spells it out letter by letter. That's a little kid.
Everyone come in here. There's like 5 of them in here. Everybody come in here. Free kills. Free kills.
This one right here.
You gotta fight.
This is
Somebody
the little
can
kid.
fight.
Dang, I just got side blinded.
That's the little kid right there. Me and Check are fighting.
Oh my gosh, they just knocked me out. Dang, you guys.
This is the little kid. Look, there goes the little kid.
Yes,
No, don't run away. Hey, come get these beatings.
That's because ones ever gave him that. No AFKs. No AFKs. Stop on me, man.
For the flags, we don't fight.
I got him.
You just walked away.
Oh dang! What's going on over here? Who we fighting? I can't tell.
I don't know. Just punch. Just punch. It's this person.
Dang! I just got slammed on my head. I don't know what's going on now. Yo, who's this? Bro, I got slammed again. Going on my phone. So I was just trying to check my email.
Look it, they're fighting each other. They're fighting their own people because they don't know how to make a group.
How many people are in this? Okay. There's a lot of people.
Yeah. So mad. So
Remember, stay sober. What are you saying, Chance?
Okay, Chance. Thank you for letting people know to stay sober.
That is happiness 666. I think we need to kill this guy.
Oh, yep.
Let's kill this guy over here.
No, only
He's trying to
Jesus.
get that. He's trying to get this. Only Jesus.
We don't.
Just yell Jesus in the chat.
Yeah, that's why I got that kill.
Him.
I got
Stop
that.
the demon out of him.
The heck?
You.
Oh, where's everybody else? Oh, right there. Everybody, let's go right over here and jump those guys.
Why did you just fall out of nowhere?
What the heck happened? I don't even know. Bro, how do I get out of this?
Oh my gosh. It freaking passed through the demon it was carrying.
Can someone stop me?
Yeah.
What the?
Stop. Just reset your character.
I'm gonna reset.
Oh my gosh, this little kid over here.
Ooh, little kid.
Happy touches.
Oh my gosh. Do you not learn? Do you not learn? Ugly? Ugly? Now I'm gonna take your kill and knock you out. Whoever just did that is messed up because I was on that.
Oh yeah, then a rip bro.
Who is Dan and why did they knock you out, Matt? And I got that kill.
So turn around. There's like guys around you. Dang! Freaking Milton spin kicked that guy.
First of all, that was me, not Melton.
Oh,
Yeah, the flags can fight.
The flags got hands, guys.
oh look! There's a bunch of guys down there. You guys, let's go beat everybody up down there.
Where?
Down here.
Oh, right here. The guy just came out of the bathroom. Yep. Thank you. Are you gonna get mobbed?
Get mobbed.
He ran into the
Go to
bathroom.
Go to the bathroom.
Hey, so I got this all on video too. Boop 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 boop. Ooh, slam time. Ding.
Who's holding the
Oh, let's go. Everybody out the bathroom.
He just got jumped.
Run.
Yeah, let's go. Oh, who's this?
Watch. Everyone, come on. Let's
Oh,
go.
what chance? Why are you over here for? This guy. Get out.
People at the end over here.
Where's the team? The team needs to stick together.
You guys are supposed to look like a full.
There's Westside and Tio, Marika. Who's you fuck off?
That's why I keep going.
Why is this random person walking with us like they're on our team?
I don't know.
Get this person. Get this devil over here.
Beat him up.
He's like, what did I do? I don't like Christians. This is why Christians.
Death is happiness. Death is happiness. The
this little
devil.
kid is
The
raging.
devil.
They knew what they were doing making this. Say I don't speak tags. LOL. Okay, well now we're just
Oh
fighting.
my gosh. The devil.
Repent. Mari, why did you let yourself get easily hit?
I didn't. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm literally getting beat up. You all just watched me get beat up,
I
guys.
was typing because they're supposed to say I don't keep tags. Search your email. Crying emojis. Chad, you're about to get one hit and die.
Oh my gosh. And I got that kill back.
God, man, I got you.
Oh, got that. Somebody get this guy. Okay, he keep coming back. You want to keep getting beat up over here.
You already know. You already know you're about to get beat up by the entire thing. Why are you still in this server?
Hey, he's trying to run. He's trying to run. This guy tried to dip over here.
He's trying to run. Get him, get
So
him,
we're
get him.
gonna-
Oh, he's going to the gym.
Oh, no, he can't.
No, you
can't.
He's trying to get out.
Over here,
That
demon.
is happiness. That is happiness.
Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. You need to leave. You need to leave. You need to leave.
Bing, 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 bang, bang.
Bang, bong, bong. Get that.
Look at that guy. He's catfighting.
Okay, Lene, you don't need to talk in the chat all the time.
Yeah.
Dang, and then he just got dropped.
I didn't see. It was the same color as the gym floor.
Yeah, he was. I look, he was just. I don't even know where it went. All the time.
Same color as the gym floor. I don't know where he is.
Get him, Milton. Get him, Milton.
No lie. Throw that away. He's the same color as the floor. I don't know if I'm bringing on the floor.
We should all go.
Look, they're gonna
camp
get
back.
Uncle Nicholas from the back. Look at there's Hecka.
Guys, they're gonna jump Uncle.
It's around Uncle.
Get him.
That's the show. Oh, I don't need
Says, you guys lucky you guys are gang.
Yeah. This one.
And that's why you're getting beat up. And that's why. Why are you beating me up? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Yep, that's why you got thrown to the floor and reported. Bro, how are you gonna report me and you're over here calling me? You're saying inappropriate words. They're gonna.
That's a different.
Byron, what are you saying?
He said, the other dude was like, still eat, and I said, yeah, eat this bitch.
Oh,
Yeah, because he's over here saying eat
girl.
bad words, and we're saying okay, and that's why you're getting beat up.
Yay.
Yep,
That's my boy. What's up, good? Ooh.
Get him. Mm-mm. Ooh.
What's that for? Eat my rocket. Rotten egg. What the heck, kids?
Come on, listen to shit.
guys, that whole team is right.
Chad, you're the one.
Guys, I'm getting jumped.
Oh, where are you at? Where are you?
I'm getting jumped.
Mari, that's what you get when you go on your own.
No, I died. To the gym.
Over here with Matt. Matt needs help.
Wow, what happened to me?
Damn. Knocked out. Dang, I'm at 18. I'm experience 18. I need to hit 20.
Dang, I'm only at 9. What the heck?
I'm still at 22.
Okay, Linnea. Thank you for
I'm at
letting me know.
16.
We should all just wait in the stands and then wait for them to come.
We should just wait in this big circle
Alright.
and that's
Why don't we take over the lunchroom again?